How to make a TikTok sound your alarm. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to make a TikTok sound your alarm. So let's begin. The very first step that I would like you to do is to download the app called Garageband. So go ahead on your app store and search for Garageband and then install it on your phone. Once you have installed the GarageBand app, you should also download the video from TikTok. So open TikTok, search for that video, and then press and hold on that video and click on Saved Video right here. Once you have saved your video, open your web browser such as your Safari or Google Chrome. So go ahead on Safari or Google Chrome and search for MP4 to MP3. What we're going to do here is to convert the video into a music or in a MP3 file. So I would recommend you to use the Cloud Convert right here. So open it and then click on Select File and choose the file that you have just downloaded. And then it will convert for about a minute or so and then download the file and it will then be saved on the Files app right here. So once you have downloaded the MP3 file of your TikTok sound, you may now go to GarageBand and then go to this mic button right here and wait for it to load and then click on this blocks icon right here. So click on that blocks icon and click on the looping icon right here and go to files, go to browse items from the files app and you may look for your downloaded file right here. You may also go to browse and then if you are using Chrome, then go ahead on Chrome and click that file. Once you have chosen your file, you should wait for it to load until it will appear on this section right here. And then now drag and drop the file that you have right here. You may also click on this file right here or the timeline or clip and then drag this button on the rightmost part to cut the end of your alarm sound. And now you may click on the drop down button right here, click on My Songs, and then press and hold onto that file that you have just created. Go to Share, go to Ringtone. So you may change the name, for example, to TikTok Sound. And then click on Export right here. As you can see, it is exporting as ringtone. So what you're going to do is to wait for it, and then you may go and click on OK. So let's go back to the home page and now go to the alarm section or the alarms app. Go ahead on alarm, you create an alarm, click on sound, and then as you can see, there will be a the file that we have created or the TikTok sound that you have created. So go ahead on that TikTok sound, click on it, and then go back and click on Save found on the upper right corner of the screen. So that's it. That's how you can make a TikTok sound your alarm.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.